how the other people is. My dad is literally in a hospital and he's literally passing away. He's on death watch. Y'all have got to stop with the stupid assumptions and the false accusations right now. I cannot take all this drama and stuff. I'm looking at inheriting a house that I hate and that has a property tax of $2,000 2 times a year. That I am like, how the freaking heck am I going to afford that when I'm only on SSI? I only get 900 something a month, and most of that goes to my car to repair it, keep it in good shape as possible, and the rest goes to the house, trying to keep it from getting worse with this mold and leaky roof problem that my dad, for whatever reason, has refused to have professionals fix. His excuse is, it's too expensive. Yeah, well, so are funerals, and it looks like he's dying, and it may be a combination of issues right now with him on that, with the cancer that has gone throughout his body and into his brain, stage 4 kidney failure, a heart problem, he's septic now, is literally, I don't see him coming home from this last time in the hospital. I just don't see how he could survive. I'd be very surprised if he comes home at all from this. But y'all, the dogs are not neglected. They are not being left out of what they need. I do get them outside. When they need to go out, they go out. We had weather that was getting to negative 30s, wind chill, etc. a couple weeks ago. A 7 to 10 week old puppy should not be out in that kind of weather for very long, and puppies usually like to play before they relieve themselves. And I was like, nope, I'm not risking his safety for every 30 minutes or so for that. So that's why he's got the little wolves tray, and the adult dog has the thing by the back door, and either one can use the thing by the back door, especially at night, so I know exactly what's happening, because I don't have lights in the backyard to be able to see. I use a flashlight, but that really doesn't do much. But anyway, trying to keep this video short. They are not neglected. If anything, I'm neglecting myself. Most of my food stamps go to them for their food. I get a little bit of food for me. But I mean, my gosh, they seriously, they get more care than I do. As best as I can do. I mean, my dad just calls them filthy beasts. My dad doesn't like animals. He barely tolerated me before I had a service dog. He really barely tolerates me now at all. So every time he is coherent enough and stuff, when I go visit him, he's like, I hope you left that filthy beast at the house. And that makes me feel bad. It makes me not want to go see him at all. But because my family is like, well, we depend on you to keep us informed of what's going on, I forced myself to go without her and put up with that. So, yeah. Stop with the stupid assumptions and false accusations. I've had enough of it. Enough of the damn drama. Shut up! I've had enough. Bye.